Y'all, it's so cold out here. I can't even right now. We were trying to go to this other brunch place, but however, we could not enter the door. The place had a very bright pink door. One would think that's the entrance. So I go to open this door and it's the bathroom. Our anxiety said no and we left. Because there was like a couple just staring at us as we tried to stare at these like big glass window looking things. They're like, is that the door? I don't know where the door is. Why is the bathroom pink? She got me a Christmas gift for the sneak. Is that Sunny Angel? Wait. I saw a Christmas one. I was like, it's a Christmas gift. Oh my gosh. What? This is the best bread. I'm really hoping for this one here, but they're all cute. I don't want to ruin the box, but it's okay. It feels round. Okay, you see first. You look first. You see it? I'm not looking. Turn it around. Can you turn it around? Okay, it's cute. I think you're gonna like it. It's cute. Okay. It's so cute. Oh, the reindeer would have been cute. How cute. The weather's very bad today. We're gonna walk to a film place so she can develop her films. And then we're gonna try to go to the Kiki delivery cafe. We tried last time and the wait was literally, I think, an hour or two. And we were not gonna wait that, so. Oh God, it's so cold, y'all.